birthday because you won't be here during my birthday. It's Wednesday. So anyway, pumunta na kami sa Walmart. Maganda ang weather. It's 21 degrees Celsius. And lately, parang sunod-sunod na yung mga days na maganda ang weather. Kaso si Mr. ayaw niya ng ganitong weather pagka nasa truck siya kasi nahihirapan siya matulog dahil mainit masyado. So yun, see you later sa Walmart. Dito na tayo sa Walmart, guys. So ito ang aming first stop. Ayun, kumuha pala ako ng aking skincare. Si Mr. Host. Ayan, doon na kaming mag-grocery shopping. Bill out, check out na. So, doon na kaming mabili, guys. Hindi ako masyado mag-video doon sa Walmart sa loob. Lakas kasi ng music. So, ayun na nga, guys. Tapos na kaming mamili dito sa Walmart. Sobrang natamad akong video doon sa loob kasi nga ang lakas ng music. Tapos nahihirapan din akong lumakad dahil nga tayo ay 30 weeks pregnant na. Ay, 9 weeks na lang, mga anak na. Inano pala nila, minove nila yung aking C-section date. So instead na 11, ginawa nilang 14. So sabi ni Mr. gusto niyang kausapin sila kasi parang masyado ng late yon. Baka mamaya is mag-labor ako ng late doon and wala siya. Kaya try namin ipa-adjust kung pwedeng, gusto ko nga 38 weeks kasi si Zara pinanganak ko to 38 weeks naman eh. So ayun, sana pumayag sila pero hindi pa namin sure kasi ang tina-target na nila is 39 weeks. Ang init, grabe. Are you gonna talk to the doctors about my C-section?
Yeah.
Date? Isn't it too late, right? The 14th? Yeah, medyo kinakabahan ako. Feeling ko talaga mahanganak ako nung earlier than that date. So, sana pumayag sila mga 38 weeks. Kahit 38 and a half. No? 38 and a half weeks.
I gotta listen to my clown show.
Ayun, so pauwi na kami. Tapos mag-call tayo. Tapos pupunta kami dun sa aking mom-in-law. Dalawin namin siya. So we are home, guys. Let's just do a very quick grocery shopping haul kasi nga nagmamadali kami dahil pupunta pa kami sa aking mga biyanan. So start natin sa paper towels and then snacks, vanilla wafers. Ito, gusto ko siyang itry. Jell-O, strawberry cheesecake yung flavor. And then Johnson Cotton Watch. Johnson Cotton Touch. So, body soap. And then, vitamin C serum. Kumuha lang kaming maliit na diaper para kay Zeta kasi meron pa siyang natitira dyan na isang box, 1.5. Ayan, Huggies. Duct tape. Okra seeds. And then, Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water. Tapos balloon. Ito yung ginagamit ni Mr. sa kanyang Rosie the Literacy Clown show. And then bread. Italian bread and mini croissant. Meron pa pala itong hose and Y-shot off. Then another snacks na Tea-Buddy wafer. Binuksan na namin kasi kinain namin ni Zeta kanina. Pickles and olives. Dalawang ice cream. And then, 3 box ng Cool Milk. And then, rice. 2 bags of grapes. 2 packs of strawberries. Bananas. Broccoli, green beans, and tomatoes. Celery sticks. Garlic. Onions, and avocados. Apples. Mangoes. Carrots and potatoes, melon, ham, half loin pork and ground pork, sliced mild cheddar, 2 pack ng lean ground beef, and then chicken. So, ayun yung pinamili namin for today. And yung total niya is $247.36. So, less than $250 siya, which is good. So, ayan, put away ko lang ito. And then, punta na kami sa aking mga mamit. Sa aking mga biyanan. Andito na kami, guys, sa aking mga biyanan.
Hi. You put the horse away already?
It's a big horsey to you.
You scared of the horsey? Don't be scared.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals that take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. Now the morning is the afternoon.
Hi.
We lay awake in bed.
One.
One, two, five, six, seven, eight,
Yay! Where are you going? Going to the White House? What are you gonna do there? What are you gonna do there?
What are you doing?
Hmm? What is Dada doing? He's taking care of the bamboos.
Well, he said her sister though.
Come here. Zeta. Bless you.
Yeah.
Hello, anybody home? Hello. Hello.
Who's that? Who's that in the window? There's a little baby in the window. Yeah. Did Daddy drive this car? Did Daddy drive this car? Oh, what's in the bag? Shovel. And something else to dig with. That's an interesting tool.
So pauwi na kami, guys. Nag-ano lang kami dito. Kung ano lang ang pinagagawa. Kasi si Mr. marami siyang gagawin sa bahay. Tapos yun, bukas na lang kami magse-celebrate ng Mother's Day, pupunta sa restaurant. Tapos sa Tuesday, meron kaming check-up doon sa aming private healthcare provider. Kumakain ako nito, chicharon. Habang. Max Chicharones barbecue flavor. Si Sarah na daw pa kanina. Kaya meron siyang galos dito sa arms niya. Pero hindi naman ganun kalalim. Where's the hose? Are you gonna set it up today? Tapos isi-set up ni Mr. yung hose. See you later sa bahay.
seeing all the signs. Is this really happening? I can't believe it's true. I'm just as surprised as you. Is this really happening? I can't be too sure, but one day I'll be yours again. Life lessons come one in a dozen. The other 11 get something from nothing. I sit here looking for an answer. Maybe the biggest question was in the last chapter. You gave me the soul I have today. Without you I never could have moved away. But now I see what you teach. I do believe